Hello everyone, welcome to Intypacking. I am Danny. Please join me to exploring our Ficoni. Established in 2003, Intypacking is a company that specializes in aluminum plastic sealing products, like heat induction foil sealing materials, pressure-sensitive foam liners, EP foams, heat sealing films, and so on. Now we engaged in 4,000 square meters workshop. More than 20 sets high-tech production equipments. This is our roll film production workshop, including printing, laminating, waxing process. The output can reach 100,000 meters a day. Here's our die-cutting liners production workshop. The max output can reach 10 million PCs per day. There are different packaging methods according to customer requirements. Our mission is to provide high-quality packaging solutions that meet the diverse needs of our customers.